Guys, so my name's Brennan. I'm gonna be starting a new video series on YouTube channel. Basically, I'm just starting investing in stocks. I'm 20 years old. I decided that I want to try to learn some stocks and kind of just mess around with it. So I'm gonna be using the application Robinhood, and this is just gonna be like a video series. I'm probably gonna I put in $100 to start with. And I think I'm going to invest in 4 companies with the split shares. I'm going to do $25 for each one, and we'll get into that. But I think I'm going to do probably about 200 to 250 a week. I'll add into this account, and we'll just see what happens with it. So that's the plan, and I'm going to take you guys with me along for the ride. And I think what I'm going to do is maybe like every Monday I'll put in like 200 bucks, 250, whatever, kind of see what we're feeling. And then maybe like every Friday we'll go over and have a video of how the week was, how like are we up, are we down, what's doing well, my thoughts, something like that. And we'll try to grow this from $100 to $10,000 by, let's say, like, I don't know, like May or something like that. So we'll just kind of see what happens, and yeah, so it should be pretty fun, and hopefully we'll learn a lot along the way, and hopefully you guys can learn something too. So as you can see here, right into the Robinhood app, I have $113 in there. I downloaded Robinhood about a year ago, and so when I did that, I got the free stock, and I ended up getting the home stock, but it was only like $5 when I got it. And during the whole shutdown thing, it went down to like a couple bucks. Like, it was really cheap, and then it shot up to like 14 bucks or something like that. So I actually just sold that share and bought Bitcoin. So that, what you can see, well, I guess I don't know, but I bought Bitcoin with it. So that's what the 13 is, and I put $100 in last night. So let's go ahead here. I think what I'm going to do is, I think the first one I'm gonna buy is Coca-Cola. Now Coca-Cola has a 3.19% dividend yield, so that's pretty good. I'm kind of thinking long term. Like, this is not just like I'm done in May. Like, this is long term, so I would definitely like some dividends coming in to reinvest. That would be pretty good. So I'm thinking this is a good all-around stock. It's up almost 1% in the last week, 5.11 in the last month, 9.7 in the last 3 months, and the last year is down 6%. But if you look at the 5-year, it's up 32%. And again, I'm thinking long term. I'm not thinking a couple months. I'm thinking years. So if they're up, it's just a good, solid company, really strong company. So I think it's a good idea to go ahead with it. So what we're going to do is put $25 in, review that, and there we go. So we got $25 worth of Coca-Cola for the first stock here. So that's pretty cool. Next up, I think I'm gonna do $25 in Amazon. Now Amazon, I think, is gonna be a huge. I'm thinking Amazon and Walmart are gonna be really big for this coming Christmas season, because nobody's gonna be going out to stores. Well, people will, but it's gonna be a lot less than normal. And it's already been shifting geared towards online shopping to begin with, so I'm really thinking that this is going to be a good move. So we're going to put $25 into Amazon. Now I know it's a $3,000 stock price, so $25 is nothing, but we got to start somewhere. So that is kind of what we're doing, and we're going to see how this works out for us. Okay, there we go. And they do not have any dividends, but that's okay. Now next up, I'm going to do Apple. Apple, I think, is releasing a new iPhone soon, so that always brings some kind of hype to the company. But Apple is just a really big, strong company. They're down today. All these stocks, if you notice, are actually down today, which is good, because buy low, sell high, right? So if we can buy in a little dip, then great. So they're down. Okay, in the last month they're down 2.85%, which is not really anything. And but in the last 3 months they're up 28%. The last year they're up 105%. In the last 5 years, up 286%. Now that's insane. So if I can even get 10% in the next couple years, I'll be happy. So that's kind of the plan there. So we're gonna go ahead and buy $25 of Apple, and that is getting sent off right now. Perfect. And so the last company that I'm gonna invest in for today is Tesla. Now Tesla is, I think, a really cool company. I really like kind of what they're doing, but I'm kind of skeptical on it. I'm not really sure how it's gonna play out long term. I don't know if they're definitely overpriced, I think, a little bit. But if you look at it, it's down a little bit today. The last week's gone 15% after it dipped down pretty hard there for a while. But if you look at these numbers, last month 32%, 3 months 121%, a year 817%, and 5 years 786%. Now I think that this is probably getting back up to maybe the higher end, but I don't know. It's Tesla, so I guess we'll kind of find out, see where this takes us. So there's a lot of hype around this company right now. So we're gonna put 25 into Tesla. Okay, all set there. So there we go. That includes all of the, well, that's all the stocks we can get for $100. So we can kind of take a look here. Yeah, so I mean, there's not much really to see right now, but I guess we'll come back on another video. Let's see, today's a Wednesday, so maybe we'll do an update video for this Friday. It shouldn't really be anything crazy. Well, it definitely won't be. It's only $100, so even if it was crazy, it wouldn't be that crazy. So we got that. Monday probably I will end up buying some more stocks, and we'll go from there. So I appreciate you watching, and hopefully you can follow along with me, and it should be fun for everyone. So see you in the next